To integrate AWS Amplify with AppSync, start by setting up an AWS Amplify project and installing the required dependencies. Next, configure the AWS Amplify project to use AppSync as the backend API. First, create an AppSync schema that defines the data models and resolvers for your application. The schema should include the necessary types, queries, mutations, and subscriptions to handle data interactions. After setting up the schema, deploy the AppSync API and obtain the API endpoint and credentials. Then, configure the AWS Amplify project to use the AppSync API by providing the API endpoint and credentials. To connect to the AppSync API from the AWS Amplify project, use the AWS Amplify API library, which provides a simple and intuitive interface for interacting with the AppSync API. Best practices for integrating AWS Amplify with AppSync include using a consistent naming convention for data models and resolvers, handling errors and exceptions properly, and implementing authentication and authorization mechanisms to secure the AppSync API. Additionally, use AWS Amplify's built-in features such as data storage, analytics, and push notifications to enhance the functionality of the AppSync API. By following these steps and best practices, developers can build scalable and secure applications using AWS Amplify and AppSync. Key concepts to keep in mind when integrating AWS Amplify with AppSync include data modeling, schema design, resolver implementation, and authentication and authorization. By understanding these concepts and following the steps outlined in this guide, developers can build powerful and scalable applications using AWS Amplify and AppSync. Practical examples of using AWS Amplify with AppSync include building real-time collaborative applications, implementing offline data access, and creating personalized user experiences. By leveraging the capabilities of AWS Amplify and AppSync, developers can build innovative and engaging applications that meet the needs of their users.